Welcome to the VIDA Experience Online, SBX. I am Axé, and we have
Kofi. What's up?
We are here to dance with you today. We put together a very special choreography to Kofi's original music. You're going to experience some Egyptian, hip-hop,
I'm going to say like Middle Eastern, jazz,
Egyptian, modern,
and self-love.
Self-love. To begin, you want to be in a classic fifth position ballet that's heel to the toe, and you're going to droop down.
You're going to start down here. It's going to be an 8 count. You're going to bring it up as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you do this, you're going to hear this little punch something like
Flip on the 8.
And then after this part, it's going to be a little trick. So you're going to go Get this little jazz, get that sass on.
Yep.
One more time. Ah, let them know what's up. Let them know. Then we're gonna bring it down. We're gonna drop it down a little bit for another 8 count.
In prayer and invocation.
It's gonna be a last kind of like ding, you'll hear it, and then you're gonna automatically kind of get open the lotus flower.
Welcoming in the power of the sun, the universe, all that is good in life.
Yes, yes, yes.
And a nice deep create at the bottom, you bring it back up. Collecting all the good energy for yourself, and then like really feeling this force coming in. Slight little body roll, and a ha. Come into our first self-love. So you just have this like cross, it doesn't really matter. The
This is
thing
all
is,
you.
yeah,
Get your body
touching
to the side.
yourself, and you're leaning from side to side. And you want to scoop through to a flat back. So we'll show that a little bit like from the profile so you can see a flat back. Your neck is in alignment with your back. Hold 2, 3, 4. And then you get to touch yourself again, touch your legs. Hold for 8.
Hit, and then we're gonna pop that neck up really quick.
Scoop it up. 2, 3, 4. And then let it come down through a little contraction at the end. Cool. Then we have a Kofi little
Yes.
push through. Clap, clap,
Get it through.
clap, clap, get it
Keep
through.
Again. Well, now you hear the march of finger. Then we're gonna.
And look, check your back.
You got my back, I got your
I
back.
got your back, you got
We're
my
gonna bring
back.
that around. And then go. Wah.
Clap, clap.
Wait. You got my back. She got my back.
Look, we got that. You got each
Now
other's
we're
back.
gonna bring it around.
We're going to do our first sort of Egyptian isolation with the hips, so the accent is up, but as you're gathering, actually the accent is down, and you're bringing it all in, bringing the goodness, and on that fourth one, strike a pose. Call it in, whatever you want that to be. There's 4 of those on that side.
And you're gonna do the same thing around. I like to start kind of low, probably below your belly. Bring it right up to the middle. A little bit, probably face to face. Bring it all the way up, collect it all. Clap! Then we're gonna let it just bring just,
Yep, and now you're just going to bring in the love and the light while you have your little hip going. And just feel that. Just allow this little rain pouring on the body, make you feel good and fresh for like 8 counts, and then switch it.
yeah.
Bring it back up.
Do it again one more time.
We're going around town.
There we go.
Classic. And make this yours. And a 2, and a 3. Got a 3, and a 4. Go the other way. Ha! Do good. Ha! Take it. Ha! Okay, we just added some little extra sauce there. You can add that too. So VIDA's all about making these moves yours. All right, so we just caught the spirit again. We went around town, and our next move is
You're going to kind of reach up for the sky, feel it, but kind of just let your arms just melt. Let it be some butter. You're gonna hear a lot of clicks, so this is also gonna be a freestyle where you can just go down, click, down, boom, boom, boom. This is all you. You're gonna do a 3 count, then you're gonna end in this.
okay. So these arms are a bit of an improvisation, but we just gave you some things to go off. We're gonna meet with our palms together, and then we're gonna go into Kofi's little fancy hips. These is some more of our like belly dancing Egyptian dance flavors. And encourage you to make this yours. So he's going to do his version of it, and I'm going to do mine, but our timing is the same. So we'll just count the timing. 5, 6, 7, yeah, and a ga. D, ga ga da da, and a ha. Ga da. Now your arms melt, and a ya. Ga di, ba do ga da, ha, and they're down. 6, 7. Now you're really going to dig it, and double the dig to your other side on 1, and a ya, and you make it yours. Mighty fine.
And now we're gonna back this up. So if you got a couch, some kids, make sure you get them out the way. Let them know. About to back this thing up. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So pretty much we're gonna do this one more time. So it's gonna look like we're gonna name it. So pretty much we're gonna for what? 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Back it up. Now as you see, watch my feet. So we're gonna bring it up 4. So we're gonna go 1, 2, open up, 3, open up, 4, open, 5, open, 6, open, 7, open, and 8. So while you're doing that, you're gonna want to make that your chair massage.
Yes, you can bring back the self-loves, you can work out whatever you want there.
I'm gonna begin one more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Take it down from here. We go 1 leg and 2. Be gentle on your knees. You can stay up if this knee situation is not working for you. And then we're gonna get a little saucy. Break it down. And then lift up. This is like open heart. Again, all these dances are prayers. I'm telling you, we ain't messing around up in here. Okay? Smooth it down. And then we're gonna transition into a classic Martha Graham technique. Who knew you were gonna get Graham technique in this moment?
Down.
So the idea is that you're pushing your pelvis forward. Okay? And it's just a nice, super subtle massage, but then we have to add some fancy arms. We got 1, yeah, and we follow with a head, deep da, and a 3, yeah, D. Here comes a fancy fan kick. Point your toes, switch, so that you land with that other side open. Push the head forward, 1, and look, D, da, da, ga-di, yada. Smooth leg transition. So both legs are in your front now. And we're just gonna tinkle down. Now, whatever your flexibility is totally okay. Go where you can go into a place that feels good for your body. Walk it down, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 6, 7, 8. Now, there's a real magic part that Kofi created in this music, and it's like, it makes you want to shimmy, but we're bringing back that sprinkle to the body.
So as you're down, your hands are all the way laid out. You look like a pencil. Lay it out. Then we're gonna hit. You're gonna hear like that. Ka, ka. So we're gonna go boom. Kind of just let it up like. I'm gasping for
Yeah, your heart is getting pulled up to the sky.
Ooh, now what? Ooh, now what? And then we're gonna bring it up one more time. So we can do it twice. So we're gonna go 1. Flush like this, so make this feel like this is yours. So 2, if you want to kind of move your legs, and then we're going to bring it all the way up. 3.
I personally like to grip for dear life, but oh my God, I got myself. I love myself. You think about what you want to. And then we're going to bring back some modern technique with the embodiment. So breathing into your back. We're ending this choreography with breath. So this is all yours. You're going back and forth, and as you can see, Kofi's beautiful expression, that is his. And we call it this beautiful occurrence.